At Herbprime, we work hard to make sure our herbal medicine supply chain meets international standards of quality, safety, and sustainability. Ensuring that the medicines we use are not only effective and consistent, but also sustainable, is absolutely vital to the continued success of TCM. Therefore, we source our herbal granules from Sun10, a Taiwanese herbal medicine manufacturer. In Taiwan, herbal medicines are held to the same standards as pharmaceutical medicines, so their growth and production is monitored to the highest standards. Sun10 are involved with every step of the herbal supply chain, including bypassing herbal markets and buying directly from farmers. This allows them to experiment with innovative herb-growing agricultural practices, which has led to some amazing results. Let me give you an example. These are betel nut trees, and this flower is shihu, or dendrobium. Shihu is a CITES herb, so sale of it is restricted. Through years of research and experimentation, Sun10 have been able to develop a new way of growing shihu through a symbiotic relationship with Taiwan's native betel nut trees, allowing us to bring this medicinal plant out of danger and back into our dispensaries, helping people around the world. This success in the field is only one part of the chain, however. We believe that granulated herbal medicines, through their rigorous production process, offer several benefits to practitioners and patients. Being able to quality test before decoction and after granulation, being able to extract herbs consistently using multiple methods and world-class equipment depending on the plant, and the ease of use of the final product all contribute to a better experience for patients. As for practitioners, they can take confidence in our rigorous quality control measures. In fact, 1/3 of all staff at Sun10's Taiwan factory are involved in quality control alone, and certificates of analysis and quality control certificates are available upon request for every batch of herbs Herbprime sells. Here in Europe, we also offer an online dispensary service for practitioners, preparing the formulas on site in order to save herbalists time and allowing them to access hundreds of herbs. With Herbprime, you know you are getting the highest quality herbal medicines available, benefiting patient, practitioner, and planet.